Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmatuni Ayah, SAMSI, acted as a lecturer in the research methodology. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sahara Ainun Nabila, student ID number 34119-524, from Accounting Class 3F. Here, I will present my final project proposal entitled Calculation of Cost of Production with Job Order Costing Methods on CVSPS. There are 5 presentation structures that I will convey. First is the background. Second is the formulation of the problem. Third, research objective and benefits. And then regarding the literature review, and next the research method, and the last is the systematic writing. Okay, for the first material, which is about the background. For the background of the research title that I took as follow: every company will compete to find as many consumers as possible to use their products. In order to achieve this goal, the company takes various ways in order to make the right decisions. Before the company determines the selling price, the company should calculate and determine the cost of production of a product so as not to cause losses to the company. The research took the place of research in one of the printing houses in the city of Semarang, namely CVSPS. CVSPS produces brochure, invitations, stop maps, and much more. Ordering brochure and stop map is the object of this research because these products are most ordered in December 2021. CVSPS has not calculated production costs according to the actual calculations rules. In determining the selling price of CVSPS products, detailing the cost of raw materials, that estimating labor costs, and not taking into account other factory overhead costs so that the result of calculating the cost of production are inaccurate. Therefore, it is necessary to calculate the cost of production starting from raw materials, direct labor costs, to factory overhead costs for each order made. This is so that the set selling price is able to cover production costs and generate the desired profit. Companies must determine an accurate selling price so that the company does not suffer losses. Accuracy in the calculation of production cost affects the calculation of cost of production for each ordered product and affects the accuracy of the selling price or order price. Based on the description above, the research is interested in calculate the cost of production at CVSPS using the job order costing method because of the importance of calculate the cost of production to determine the selling price. Second, regarding the formulation of the problem. Based on the background the previous slide, the formulation of the research problem is 1. How to calculate the cost of production using the job order costing method in December 2021 on CVSPS. 2. How does the calculation of the cost of production applied by CVSPS compare with the calculation using the job order costing method in December 2021? This research is limited to calculating the cost of goods for brochure and stop maps product in December 2021. Because these two products are the most ordered products in December 2021. Third, regarding the purpose and benefits of research. The objectives to be achieved in the preparation of this research are: A. To calculate the cost of production using the job order costing method in December 2021. B. To compare the calculation of the cost of production applied by CVSPS with calculations using the job order costing method in December 2021. While the benefits of doing this research are: A. This research is expected to increase understanding and knowledge about the cost of production and can add insight into the calculation of the cost of production using the job order costing method. B. This research is expected to increase understanding and knowledge about the calculation of the cost of production using the job order costing method and can be used as a reference, input, or guideline for a company as an alternative material in solving a problem, especially regarding the cost of production. C. This research is expected to be used as a reference in future studies with similar topics, and this research is expected to increase understanding and knowledge of the topic of cost accounting, especially regarding the cost of production using the job order costing method. Next, regarding the literature review. The literature review in this study contains 6 main topics of discussions. Point 1. Definition and classification of cost. Point 2. Definition of cost of production. Point 3. The method of collecting the cost of production. Point 4. Elements of cost of production. Point 5. Cost accounting procedures for order costing method. Point 6. Cost of production curve. 4.1 is the definition and classification of cost. A. The meaning of cost in carrying out its production. A company needs money so that it can operate as desired. Cost is a cost of economic research that can be measured in currency units and used to achieve a goal or as a deduction from income to obtain a benefit. B. Cost classification. In cost accounting, generally the classification of cost is determined on the basis of the object to be assessed by the classification. There are several ways of classifying costs that are often done, including 1. Cost classification by expenditure object. 2. Classification of cost according to the main function in the company. 3. Classification of cost according to the relationship between cost and something being financed. 4. Classification of cost according to their behavior in relation to change in activity volume. 5. Classification of cost on the basis of the benefit period. The second point is the definition of the cost of production. Basically, the cost of production is to determine the exact amount of cost per unit of finished products, so that the profit or loss of a company can be known per period. The cost of production is all costs incurred in carrying out the production process which are charged to the product or service produced by the company. Point 3. Method of collecting cost of production. The method of collecting the cost of production consists of 2 methods, namely A. Job order costing method. The company produced to order, production costs are collected to fulfill each specific order. The total production cost of each order will be calculated when the order is complete in production. B. Process cost method. Companies that produce within a certain time. In this method, the production costs are collected for a certain period, and the production cost per unit of product produced in the period is calculated by dividing the total production cost for the period concerned. Point 4 is the elements of cost of production. The elements included in determining the cost of production are A. Raw materials are one of the cost elements of a product and are usually an important part of the total production cost. B. Direct labor costs, namely costs that arise in connection with the use of human resource or labor in producing a product. C. Factory overhead costs include all other costs that must occur in making a product. Another term for factory overhead costs is indirect production costs, which consists of three groups of costs, namely indirect material costs, indirect labor costs, and other indirect production costs. The next point regarding the cost accounting procedures on the job order costing method. There are 5 cost accounting procedures in the order costing method. A. Cost and supplies accounting procedures. B. Labor cost accounting procedures. C. Factory overhead cost accounting procedures. D. Accounting procedures for finished product and product in process and off period. E. Sales accounting procedures and product delivery to customers. Next, regarding the cost of production card. That is in the form of an order cost card that is used to record the use of material costs, labor costs, and the imposition of factory overhead costs to the order in questions. If an order has been processed, the amount of the order cost can be seen on the order cost card. 5. Research method. The study use research method includes 1. Classification of data, namely data by nature and data by source. Data by nature consists of A. Qualitative data in the form of an overview of CV SPS which includes history, location, line of business, and organizational structure. B. Quantitative data in the form of raw material costs, labor costs, factory overhead costs, and sales recapitulation in December 2021. Meanwhile, database source consists of A. Primary data, obtained through interview with the finance department regarding the production costs incurred and the calculation of the cost of goods manufactured by CV SPS in December 2021. B. Secondary data, obtained through intermediary media or record by other parties in the form of company histories, organizational structure, and products produced by CV SPS. 2. Data collection method. The methods used in data collection are A. Interview, which is a direct question and answer to the owner of the company or the finance department in the form of calculating the cost of production carried out by CV SPS. B. Documentary study, conducted to obtain data on company history, organizational structure, raw material costs, labor costs, and factory overhead costs. 3. Data processing methods. A. Collect data from companies. B. Calculate the cost of goods manufactured using the job order costing method. C. Analyzing the calculation of the cost of calculation using the job order costing method in December 2021. 4. Writing method. The writing method used in the research are A. Descriptive method. B. Exposition method. The last one is writing system. For systematic writing in this study there are 5 chapters. Chapter 1. Introduction. This section consists of background, problem formulation, purpose of writing, benefits of writing, and writing systematics. Chapter 2. Literature review. This chapter contains definition relates to the cost of goods manufactured using the job order costing method. Chapter 3, Research Method. This chapter contains research methods, data classification, data collection methods, and writing methods. Chapter 4, Research Result and Discussion. History, location, line of business, organizational structure, as well as displaying the result of the calculation of the cost of production applied by CVSPS with calculation using the job order costing method in December 2021. Chapter 5, Closing. This chapter contains conclusions regarding the result and discussion in the previous chapter and suggestions addressed to CVSPS. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.